Hey you guys, welcome back to Liver Review. I hope you're doing very nice. I'm sending a lot of hugs and positivity to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the most gorgeous books of all times. We have around 12 to 15 books in this box. I received this package from Amaryllis Publishing, which is an English imprint of Manjal Publishing House. Manjal Publishing House always prints all the Hindi books, and this is the English imprint. Why I am so crazy about these books is because it has the most gorgeous covers ever, and I cannot believe that they're actually going to be in my bookshelf. Also, if you guys want to gift any of your friend, like bookish friend, for like New Year or Christmas or something like that, and you want to give them a beautiful book, you basically want to make them happy, then this is like literally the best gift ever coming from a bookish person. Because the books are so gorgeous and they are also classics, it will be the best gift ever. Now without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. Okay, I don't want to cut my hand. It's packed so well. This feels like they've packed some top secret in this. How do you open this? Dude, help me open it, please. Thanks. Whoa, the box is finally open. From what I can see, it is an Usha card box. Filled with gorgeousness. Card box. 100 points for packaging. And there we go. The first book we have is Blood on the Sands by Sujata S. Sabnis. I think that's how you pronounce the name. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering it, but this is the first book. This is actually a review copy. It has recently released. It is a thriller and I am super duper excited to read it. From the looks of it, I think I can finish it in one sitting. Also, you guys know how much I love thrillers, so pretty sure I'm gonna finish it very soon in December itself. Okay, seriously, this is like the happiest moment of my life or something, because I am so happy to actually have their books. I love this publishing so much. They publish amazing books. They publish gorgeous books. And I'm like really happy right now. The next book is The Sleep Solution by W. Chris Winter. I thought it would be thicker and smaller, but it is larger and slightly thinner. This explains why your sleep is broken and how to fix it, and trust me, I need this book. This is how it looks. Next up, we have Maybe You Should Talk to Someone by Lori Gottlieb. When will I learn to pronounce names? This again is a very huge book. It is also thick. It is going to take me 10,000 years to finish this book, but you guys have no idea how excited I am about this. This book is related to mental health. This actually is a psychotherapy, like that is the genre of the book. Psychotherapy is not a genre that I have always read or like
I've never heard about it.
Yeah, heard about it. And this book takes you behind the scenes of a therapist. I'm so excited to read this book. Oh my god, my 2021 TBR is going to be crazy good because of all the amazing books I have received. Okay, the next book is a classic. I've been wanting to read this book since a very long time, but the edition that I have is not very interesting, because of which I'm not able to read it. Like the font is too small, but this cover is so gorgeous, and it is The Great Gatsby. This is very properly printed. The letters are not too small, and how gorgeous is this? It is matchy, but it has golden foil like engraving on it, and I am so excited. Oh my god. The next book again is a classic. Another book that I wanted to read since a very long time. It is again the 75th anniversary edition, and it is Animal Farm by George Orwell. 1984 is on my TBR of December itself. I am so excited to read it, and any book by George Orwell is like super duper famous. A lot of people have told me to read Animal Farm by George Orwell because of how amazing it is. And look at the cover, it is gorgeous. It is very tiny though. I'm just hoping that it's like a beginner's classic book, because if it is, you guys are gonna have a lot of fun. It is only for 175 rupees, which is super cheap, but your bookish friend is going to be the happiest person in the world. Next up, we have an author that I have not read till now, but I am like, that author is on my TBR since a very long time. The Prophet by Khalil Gibran. Look at the cover again. It is super cheap, just 125 rupees. If any of your friend is a fan of Sufism, or even like not exactly spirituality but like philosophy and like the beauty of life and all those kind of things. I have not read this book yet, so I don't know what it is about, but the author is known for it, so you can gift your friend. From the look of it, it looks like a very easy book to read. I cannot wait to give the review of this book. Oh my god, you think this is the next book is actually on my TBR. I am shouting at this point because of how excited I am, because even though I do have a copy of this book, this copy is special. You guys have no idea how excited I am about this entire box. You have no idea how much I wanted to own these copies as a book lover. I know there must be a lot of you guys who don't really care about the cover and this and that. The book has to be amazing and stuff like that. But I am a kind of person who romanticizes, a physical copy, the cover, the gorgeousness, and all those kind of things. Because of which these editions are like so close to my heart. So the next book is 1984 itself, by George Orwell again. It is for 225 rupees, which is a little expensive, but look at the cover. It is gorgeous, so beautiful, and it's going to be so much more interesting for me to read it, because the other edition is, I think, a Penguin edition. So like it's very small printed, like the print is really small and stuff like that. This is so good. This is the 70th anniversary edition. I'm going to try to find the links to all these books and I'm going to put it in the description below. You can check it out. The next book is one of my favorites generally, and now I have a gorgeous edition of it also. The other edition that I have again is from Penguin Classics. So it is beautiful, okay, fine, cool, awesome, but this is like too gorgeous. And it is Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse. This is actually a fiction spiritual story. So if anybody wants to start with something spiritual and they want like an easy book, not like too much of knowledge and stuff like that, and it's actually like the story of a very normal man and his journey towards spirituality. If you want a book like that, this book is for you. And it is beautiful. The thing is, I am able to interpret the cover because I have read the book, and this publishing house has done an amazing job. All the other books that I'm going to show you is actually a part of their collection of Little Book series, and it has all books by Khalil Gibran again and Rumi, and you guys know that I'm like a huge fan of 40 Rules of Love. And it has Rumi in it, and since the time I have read that book, I really wanted to read Rumi's work. So the first book is Little Book of Love. It is Khalil Gibran's Little Book of Love. The cover is pretty. Next is Little Book of Life, again Khalil Gibran's Little Book of Life, and trust me, just look at the cover, you do get like the life kind of a feeling because of the gorgeousness and like the fruits and the flowers and the bird. I mean, that's the beauty of life. Oh my god, the next is Rumi's Little Book of Love and Laughter. Look at the cover again. So freaking beautiful. The next book is the Little Book of Sufi Stories, and it has the Sufi people who do their dance. So it has like small illustrations of them along with a few flowers in the middle and all those kind of things. The next is Khalil Gibran's Little Book of Secrets, and this is, I think, the only dark cover that we have in this entire series, and it looks gorgeous. Personally, I love black, so this is one of my favorite covers, but the only cover that I like more than this is Rumi's Little Book of Life, the Garden of the Soul, the Heart and the Spirit. And accordingly, the cover, it has flowers and it has petals and it has flowers and birds. It is so cool. Each one of us is on an inner journey, and this book is a guide for that journey. Use it as a means of exploring the self, or simply read the beauty of Rumi's poetry words that transcend time and place and take you to the world of spirit. Oh my god. And that is it. These are all the books. I am so happy to actually have them. Again, I'm gonna put all the links that you will need in the description. Go check it out. I will also put the link to their Instagram. Go check out their covers. They always come up with beautiful covers, and that is like the biggest reason why I like them. These are all the classics, and I'm coming up with a video very soon for you guys about classics and how to read them and all those kind of things. And this is the series of little books. Very excited to read them, very excited to actually review them and actually own them, and maybe like just go and clean it and just like sleep with them today, maybe, I don't know. Just have a closer look at these ones. This is how they look. This is how they look. They're beautiful, and I've repeated it so many times, but I'm saying it again. If you really want to make your bookish friend very, very happy, then these are the books you must be gifting them. I'm saying this because if somebody gifted this to me, I would be like on top of the world like I am right now. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's another unboxing video coming up very soon, which is going to be super duper helpful for you guys, so do stay tuned for that. Please do subscribe because we're about to hit 10k very, very soon. Let's end the year with 10k, and I'll see you guys soon. I love you so much. Bye.